Hi everyone! In today's video I am going to show you how can you unpair your One More stylish wireless headphones from your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to remove our headphones from the case to have them connected with our phone, just like that. Now we have to go to Bluetooth, click on this little folder, Bluetooth settings, and now we have to click on this info, forget this device, forget device, and on this second device, One More ANC TWS, we have to click on forget this device, forget device. As you can see, they now appear on other devices, and we don't care, we can just insert them back. Just like that. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos, and goodbye.